Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY treatment that can help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. The first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 2 tablespoons of dandelion roots. Dandelion roots are rich with vitamins A, C, B complex, and vitamin E. It also contains biotin, iron, sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. All these vitamins help to stimulate hair growth as well as strengthen the hair. Also, dandelion root helps to get rid of dandruff and an itchy scalp. Now I'm just taking a cup of hot water and I'm pouring it into the bowl with the dandelion root, and you could let this steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, or you could wait till the water cools down. So after I've allowed the water to cool down, now I'm just going to strain it, and we are going to be left with a dandelion root tea. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding to the tea is going to be 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also helps stimulates the hair follicle and encourages hair growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thinning hair. And the last ingredient that I'm going to be adding to this tea is going to be MSM powder. And MSM powder is a sulfur-rich compound that can help form bonds essential to strengthening hair and influencing hair growth. If you'd like to know more information about any of these ingredients, always check the description box as well as for the ingredients list. So now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together, and I'm going to place the tea rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. Now, when it comes to storage, you want to place it into the refrigerator when not in use, and it should last about 2 to 4 weeks. And if you want it to last longer, you can place it into the freezer and it should last about 3 to 6 months. So when using this as a hair rinse, you want to apply this all over your hair and scalp after you shampooed your hair, because you want to make sure that your scalp is clean. Once you've sprayed it all over your hair and scalp, you're just going to leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. So you can do this method whenever it's your wash day. So whether you wash your hair once a week or every 2 weeks, so it'll just be up to you. So that's how often you should use the rinse, whenever it's your wash day. Also, you can use this spray as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it on your scalp and also all over your hair from root to ends, and then make sure you follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter or cream, so that way you can seal in the moisture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.